back to my channel. I'm sorry you've been waiting for a long time because we've been in school and we are in a moving process. But we're back now, so I hope you guys are happy. So today I'm going to be making eggs because I love eggs. And they're scrambled eggs, so come on. But before I start, I make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. So let's get to this. So we need eggs. Be careful, guys. We need garlic powder. We need Maggi. We need parsley. And last but not least, we need Goya. Oh, and can't forget the oil. Gotta be careful with this too. Oh, and I almost forgot. Make sure you need a parent's permission or a parent's help to do this. So first we need a cracking egg. Oh my God. Be careful with the eggs though. Make sure you don't get messy. Rinse your hand if you get any egg on you. Now you mix it with a fork or a spoon, but a fork is better.
What are you doing, Juju?
Taking out the white parts.
Okay, you taking out this white part right here. Okay, let me show you.
It's stuck to the yolk.
It's stuck to the yolk, but we got it. Okay, open the trash.
Open the trash can.
Woo, we got it, we got it. All right.
First I'm gonna mix a little.
Okay, you're gonna mix first. Alrighty. So while you're doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and add the oil and have the pan heat up a little bit. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's turn it on and add some oil. Should we add a lot of oil or just a little bit?
A medium amount of oil.
Alrighty. We turn on the wrong stove. The wrong burner. All right. I think that's enough. What do you think?
Yeah, that's a medium amount.
All righty.
Now we're gonna add some of the seasonings. So first seasoning I'm gonna add is probably parsley. There's a little bit of parsley. You don't want too much, or it tastes bad. Now we're gonna put in a little bit. Add a little bit of Maggi. Oh, almost forgot, guys. Close your caps when you're finished. with it. And make sure you stir very good stuff. Now you just flip the egg onto your plate. And your egg's ready. This is my baby sister, Amelia. Stop. Now, now we're gonna eat the egg. See how it tastes. Does it taste good, Julie? Mm-hmm. This is Sophia. You may remember her. And I'm Juliet. I don't even know if you guys know our names.
You want cereal? Okay, hold on, baby. Let Juliet talk about her eggs. So how do they taste, Juliet?
They taste like eggs with vanilla frosting.
Eggs with vanilla frosting.
Thank you for watching me and Sophie's channel. And thank you for subscribing. Oh.
Amelia's not happy. Amelia, what's wrong? You don't like the hair in your face?
She wants cereal.
I'm gonna taste a little bit, guys. Delicious. Good job, Juliet.
Thanks, Mommy.
Sophie, do you want to try?
No. She's not into egg. So you're gonna finish it all? Mm-hmm. I love eggs. I told my fans that I love eggs in the beginning. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Bye!